Hello, this is W3OY Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be picking this cross lock, this cruciform lock. Don't know what brand it is. I got it online. It does have 10 pins. It's very weird. There are, starting in the upper right hand corner here, there are 3 pins in that row, 3 pins in the next row, 3 pins in this row, and in this row there's 1 pin. So very unusual. Use it by, there's a little dimple up there and a little dimple on the key. Line them up and it opens. Anyway, whenever you're picking this lock, you gotta pick it 4 times. So, or you can pick it 1 time forward and then 1 time back. But we're gonna go clockwise and pick it all the way around. I'll be using a pick from this Multipick Elite dual gauge set that they sent me for review. We're going to use one of the SS Dev picks. Let's go with the number 7 and a 50 thousandths or 1.25 millimeter turner. I will probably change where I have this turner as I go around just to make things a little easier. Anyway, we'll start in the top right hand corner. A little click there on number 3 of that row. 2, click on 1. Let's go to the next stack. Click on 3. And a little something something on 2 maybe. Click on 1 and then we got a little core movement. Let's go up here, top left. Nothing there. Bottom left. Little click on 3. Maybe something on 2. Let's try 1. Little something on 1. There's a click on that one there, the only one in that stack. I think we're all set here. See if we dropped anything. Nope, nothing there. Bottom right. Nothing. There we go. We're turning. So there we go. We got 90 degrees of rotation. I think we'll leave. Where do we want to put the turner? Let's put the turner up here. Okay. Now we're going to start all over again. Because you got to pick it 4 times to get it back to where the key will work. And a little something on 3, 2, core movement. Makes me wonder if there's maybe a spool or 2 in here. I don't know though. It'd be fun to gut maybe. So, not sure what I did there. Maybe something was stuck. Oh well, I'll take it. Leave the turner in the same spot. Click there on 3, 2, 1. Only 1 pin there, nothing. Go top left. A little something on 2. Okay, go bottom left. Click on 3, click on 2, little bitty click. Go back to the top right. click. Big core movement that time. Nothing there. You kind of get used to going around and kind of just like sweeping your pick across the pins. Sometimes you'll get a pin to set that way, but you kind of feel which ones are binding more quickly that way since you have to pick this thing so many times. Oh, there was a click on 3, just put my pick in. Just so happened to hit it. Or was it 2? I'm not sure which one it was. Another little core movement. Okay, go here. What are we stuck on here? What the heck are we stuck on? Boom. There we go. And we got to pick it one more time. Leave the tensioner where it is. Start upper right like I usually do. 3, 2. Not much on 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, there was a click there. 2, top left. Nothing. It's hard to get used to using your pick kind of around weird angles. Just kind of a pain in the butt. Da, 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 da. Ooh, I think we got it. And there it is. Got full 90-degree of rotation. Make sure that the key still works. Good deal. Here's the key. Very interesting lock, this cruciform lock. Anyway, very, very fun pick. Just an interesting, different, cool lock. These multi-pick picks are they are beautiful. I'll tell you that. That's one thing that they got going for them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your enemies. Get people involved in lock sport. Show them what a great community we are. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.